all my budgeting buddies, welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play the Level Up minigame as requested by none other than the fabulous Lady Di Saves.
This one I might need a little help with, Ryan, because you know I'm kind of slow.
Okay, so there's 3 things that you need. So the first thing is going to be the minigame. So go to ryancollet.com and you can select minigame, and there's going to be 2 sizes. There's going to be the A6 size and the full page sheet like this one. And you can also download the little envelope insert that I made so that you can put that in there with the money that you stuff, and you know what that money's for. All right, so the second thing that you're gonna need is some dice. I prefer using 1 die for this game, only because it'll be low amounts, and I'll explain that in a few minutes. But I prefer just 1, but you can use 2 if you want to save a little bit more in this challenge. So the third thing that you'll need, which is probably the most important, is going to be money. So basically, this is how you play. So basically, for each circle, there's going to be a number. And with that number, you stuff that inside your envelope. And then you color it. Whatever color you want to color it, you can make it all colorful. You can choose just 1 color or however you want to do it. Or, which somebody suggested, you can actually use stickers, such as like stars or something like that. And then, yeah, like it's just more decorative and all that kind of stuff. Make it your own, guys. So, you stuff whatever number is there in the circle. So say, because it's 1, then I would stuff a 1 in the envelope and color it. And then 5, 4, and 3. Then when you get to the star, you'll take your dice and you will roll it. It landed on a 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4, because that's doubling it. So then you add $4 into your envelope. And then you move to the next one. And then whenever you get after the star, whenever you get here, go this way. When you reach the 9, after you stuff $9, go back to the star and then keep going down and over. There's 2 board games on here. So there's the first one and then the second one. And you can start however you want. You can start from the bottom because it is called Level Up. You can start from the bottom and just make sure you go back to that star after you hit this little roadblock. And then you can start from the bottom here. But you don't have to. You can start from the beginning, like I plan on doing, and I think it'll be pretty fun. I hope that this kind of clears it up a little bit. So if you want to play this game, just go to ryancollet.com. There's 2 sizes, A6 size and full page size. Click on mini games and it'll all be there, and it's in a PDF file, so it's easier to print and download, and it'll be in the right size and format and everything. I hope you all learned how to play this game, and I can't wait to see everyone playing it. I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.